Hello, today I'm here with a new question. So let's see the first question and then I will try to answer. Looking for feedback on a local service business landing page for Google Ads. Okay. I've been working with a dedicated landing page for my painting company to use with Google Ads. In the past, I just sent traffic to my regular website, but my conversion rates were not great, and I ended up spending a lot of money without much to show for it. I've been trying to build something focused on conversions instead of SEO with a clear offer, review, photos, trust signals, and a simple estimate form. I did appreciate any honest feedback on the page. What would you change? What's missing? What are the biggest mistakes you see local service businesses make with the landing pages? Also, if anyone has examples of local service landing page that convert really well, I would love to see your landing pages. This okay? So let me open your landing page. Okay, uh, as far as usually whenever there is someone asking me regarding the campaigns the campaigns feedback, I usually end up answering them that also focus on your landing page. But now your own question is regarding landing page, so I will say that you should also optimize for your campaigns as well. So I think that the campaign optimization is one asset, the landing page optimization is another asset. Without a solid landing page, your even targeted traffic could not bring productive results. But if you have a solid landing page but a poor marketing strategy, you will also end up in wasting money. So both are collaborative. Also, comparator analysis are also another important crucial factor. Now, without wasting much of your time, let's see the landing page. Okay, so this landing page seems okay. Let me see the landing page. Okay, your face, meet the crew, didn't load it. Okay, so loaded, yeah. So yeah, it's good. Okay, so I'm going to give my own opinion. First of all, I do not like your font. Your font isn't good. So my opinion is I do not like your font at all. Okay, this is something whatever makes your process easier. So I think that is over here. The call word needs a bigger font or more highlight. So the call button needs a bigger font and more highlight. Okay. uh, okay. Okay, same here, the font isn't good, so I think that the font is the reason why my attention is reducing from over here. So if you just change the form, I think the font, I think things would be changed. Okay, and meet the crew, I think that your faces should be more highlight than the background. It's not a meet the crew, but I think you need to crop this blue wall, and faces should be more highlighted in meet the crew. Okay, why I am saying is because this creates a connection. This lacks connection, this lacks personalization, so I think this is over here. This image is okay, okay, this video is okay, okay, this grabs attention over here, the reviews are good over here. Okay, so this rather goes to your Google reviews or to the widget. Okay, so this link should be removed for the Google reviews widget, should be removed for Google reviews widget. Okay, also are these have you know the that should be linkable. Okay, let me see if it's linkable to the real map page or no. Okay, so yeah, they are real over here, so yeah, they are fine. Okay, apart from this, okay, it's all good. I think I would love to see some more testimonials with customers with pictures and testimonials. Also, something like ISO or any certification or any authority verification, something like this. This creates trust build. So someone is recommending you, or you register from somewhere. So I think I would, if I would you be in your position, I would have added these things. Yeah, all in all, this is my opinion for a local service business landing page. If you want to run ads for your LSA ad, these were some of my opinions. And if anyone needs a professional help with the LSA ads website development, CRO, or even campaign development, you can hire me and my team through the link in the description. Our company name is AARSWEBS.com, and we will love to work with you. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.